And cutting across to my colleague Arvind Ojha, now joining us on the broadcast. Arvind, आपसे और जानकारी चाहेंगे। जो हुआ है बहुत ही शेमफुल है और पूरे देश को ये महसूस होता है, पर लीगली अब अगला मूव क्या होगा? विक्टिम गांधी फैमिली से मिली, अभी उसने ये भी कहा है कि उनको प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी और प्रेसिडेंट से मिलना है। साथ ही में जानकारी आ रही है कि सीबीआई भी इस जजमेंट को के अगेंस्ट कोर्ट में जाएगी और इस के अगेंस्ट काउंटर करेगी। क्या होगा अगला मूव?
देखिए, सीबीआई ने जो हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है उसकी डिटेल्ड स्टडी की है और सीबीआई सोर्सेज ने इंडिया टुडे को बताया है कि जो ऑर्डर आया है उसको सीबीआई की टीम सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सामने चैलेंज करेगी। और साथ ही साथ सीबीआई सोर्सेज ने ये भी बताया है कि हाई कोर्ट में जब बेल ऑर्डर की सुनवाई हो रही थी तो सीबीआई ने टाइम टू टाइम हर जो रिप्लाई है वो फाइल किया था और जो विक्टिम है उसके साथ सीबीआई की टीम खड़ी हुई थी। अब जो ये ऑर्डर आया है इसके खिलाफ सीबीआई ने पूरी तैयारी कर ली है और 1 से 2 दिन के अंदर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ये जो ऑर्डर है दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का उसको चैलेंज करने जा रही है सीबीआई की टीम।
जी अरविंद, शुक्रिया इस जानकारी के लिए। And we'll continue to track every bit of the story very closely. Remember, the victim is worried about her safety, and that is the primary concern at this point. So much so that she has even demanded that the trial be moved to a Congress-ruled states. Now, most importantly, she has met with Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, and her plight is out there for all of us to understand. But the CBI, in all likelihood, is to challenge this verdict, and that is going to be the next step. The survivor has also expressed her desire to meet with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Murmu over the shocking judgment. And most importantly, she worries for her safety. She worries staying in Uttar Pradesh. In fact, the meeting that happened between the Unnao rape survivor when she met with Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, where details came in of how they were moved to tears after hearing her plight. This meeting had happened at 10 Janpath, and she has now urged that the case be moved to a Congress-ruled state. The CBI, that is all set to challenge the Delhi High Court's order suspending the life sentence of former BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh Sengar in the 2017 rape case. Now, when that will be done is something that we will continue to track closely, but the central agency that will certainly challenge the Delhi High Court's order in this particular case, CBI will move the top court as well against Kuldeep Sengar on the bail in the Unnao rape case. Meanwhile, the victim out there crying for justice, urging the courts to take cognizance of why this man has been allowed to go scot-free. And most importantly, the past events that have happened when her family was targeted, when her father was targeted, and how she now feels that the perpetrators are out there in the open and she could be targeted, she could be made the scapegoat anytime now. Such is the situation, so vulnerable that it is. And why is it that the courts are not taking cognizance? The CBI, that is all set to move top court against Kuldeep Singh Sengar on the bail in the Unnao rape case. And the CBI will also challenge the Delhi High Court's order suspending the life sentence of former BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh Sengar in the 2017 rape case. In fact, she's literally knocking every door possible, and unfortunate, shameful for the entire country that we can't even provide that safety for our beti who is out there worried when she will be targeted next. She met with leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. She met with Sonia Gandhi at 10 Janpath. They heard what has been happening with her. She has also requested that the case be moved to a Congress-ruled state, but most importantly, she has now urged that she meet with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Murmu. The big questions that loom large in this case: life term that became 7 years in one stroke, and why is it that this man is being given the free rope? Who will guarantee the survivor's safety is the biggest question. We know how her family has been targeted. We know how her lawyer was targeted. He was literally in a near-death situation. And now that Kuldeep Singh Sengar is out in the open, his supporters who have been targeting her family over the years, who possibly guarantees the survivor's safety? The survivor's plea for justice has gone unheard. The Delhi High Court's order and how the CBI is all set to move top court to challenge this order. How is an MLA who not a public servant? I mean, this is the man who was a former MLA of the BJP, and whether he's enjoying that political clout, that is why he's getting the sort of freeway that he has been enjoying. Will Kuldeep Singh Sengar walk out of jail soon is the biggest worry right now, and that is why the victim knocking every possible door, as her safety is the biggest concern. She cries for justice. She cries to the courts to take cognizance of what is happening.